floor to ceiling DIY shelves with like industrial piping and beautiful wood. Hi, I'm Anna Borges and I'm a writer and editor for Goodful. So I just moved into this apartment and I'm so excited. It's always been my dream to have floor to ceiling bookshelves because I have so many books and nowhere to put them. In my last apartment, I filled like 5 bookshelves and then still had like towers of them around my room. It was a real safety issue. The reason I decided to go the DIY route, even though I'm not crafty at all, is because every time I looked for a bookshelf that I could buy, it was so expensive. Like so expensive. And then by the time you get to a bookshelf that takes up like your entire wall, that's building it anyway. So it may as well look like what I want it to look like. Floor to ceiling DIY shelves with like industrial piping and beautiful wood. So I just woke up to the saddest news, which is that the shelves are not happening today. Basically, a part was missing from our order. They're like, it'll be available same day, and then just kidding, it's not available the same day. We're just gonna like finish cleaning up and staining today, and then get back to the actual building of the shelves whenever the parts come. It turns out that most people, when they do this, they just leave it a little loose so things can line up. Apparently it'll be secure once we screw it into the wall, but it'll be a little loose in the meantime. All right, we're drilling the first thing into the wall. I'm afraid. No, just kidding, I'm not, it's great. I decided to unload some books to try and organize them by category, and so I could like load them onto the shelves a little faster. And as you can see, it has taken over my apartment. I guess I could get rid of the ones that I like know I'll either never get around to reading, admittedly, or that I have read and know I won't read it again. But there's just something about like looking at like a large collection of books and being like, it's soothing. It's soothing, and like